Hello, Longisa. Let's go 99 Wench. And I want to look for ice cream. The happiness ice cream. Follow me. Sorry. Get your basket. Sorry. I'm going to go fruit sections, but then I will go about the. Look at all the mango. This is from Taiwan. They're expensive. Kiwi. Look at the mango. Orange. Asian orange. A lot in Thailand like this. Ooh. Mexico papaya. Mushroom. Dry mushrooms. Jujube, dry jujube. This one yummy too. Yummy, yummy. Oh, noodle and sauces. Oh, I think this is a good price. I need good price. 21. Meatball. I don't want to cook hot pot, so I will not do meatball. I'm here to look for ice cream. Okay, let's see if I have any luck. The happiness ice cream. No ice cream, but dumpling. More dumpling. Ooh, look at this. Oh, did I pass the ice cream? Over there is seafood. It's not ice cream, correct? Let me see. More dumpling. Ooh, hot pot. We use all this for our hot pot. What is this? Hammer. Doing hammer. 20% additional for 2.99. Ooh, strong. I mean, is this an ice cream? It didn't say it's ice cream or not. They just have dessert. I, I don't see ice cream over there. I heard this is popular too, like my friend like it. Um, I don't even know what is this. Oh, whoa, what's that mean? Banana. Oh, this is ice cream. Should I try it? Buy it? Okay. If I buy this, I should buy this too, right? Since they don't have the one that I actually looking for. Over there is meat. See, this is like a hot pot. Hot pot. Ooh, dessert. I don't eat dessert. Oh well, it's too bad. They don't have what I want. Oh, we have ice cream on the other side. Let's check out. Let's go here. If they don't have, we go to the next door. The next aisle. They have frozen corn. They have ice cream here. Ice cream. I'm looking for the happiness ice cream. Uh, wait, is this ice cream really look like this? Like it look, they design it look like a pineapple. Take a look. Buy or no buy? Buy. You know I'm not rich, right? I need a sugar daddy who who can feed me. Um. Oh, the ice cream right there. What the heck is this? Let's take a look at this one. They have strawberry and they have oh, chestnut cake. This is cake. Oh, they are cheesecake. Okay, you know the ice cream that when you push up, look like a mango. They have like durians. They have like peach, lemon. Oh, I already tried this. The boba ice cream right here. Can you guys see it? The boba ice cream. It was okay. And this one right here is cheaper in Trader Joe. Okay, so every time I come here, they don't have my ice cream, but it's okay. What can I do? I got this much, and then they have the boba ice cream also. And I want to go home and try this three. I am home. Let's give this a try. It looks like this. Oh, wow. Look at that. It looks exactly like the picture. Let's try. Oh, so good. Oh my goodness, you have to get this. Mmm. 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 Very good. Thank you. Bye bye.